My name's Jay Erdos, and I'm the owner of Tuscany Pavers. We're an outdoor living construction company. We specialize in pavers, artificial grass, barbecues, fire pits, anything that makes your outdoor area shine. Our mission is to take your old broken driveway or beat up yard and turn it into something beautiful. We started working with Titan Growth 10 years ago. We chose Titan Growth to get an advantage over the other construction companies that weren't doing anything with digital marketing. Really, our goal was to become more profitable, increase our revenue, and just grow as a company. We absolutely met our goals the first year working with Titan. By the end of the first year, we had over 1,240 new first page rankings, $2.8 million in trackable revenue, and we increased our business by 125%. The greatest benefits of working with Titan are that everything's trackable, everything's scalable, and the return on the investment is huge. The team at Titan Growth is really easy to work with. They're responsive. If I need anything, they're always there. The results are there. Nothing speaks louder than top page results. The efficiency of our marketing has increased. There's a lot less trial and error, and everything's very trackable, and the numbers speak for themselves.